Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a quick update to something that is available today. It's the latest Google Chrome web browser, and it's version 77. Was released actually yesterday, September 10th, but widely available today. Released a few days ago if you're on Android. So available for Windows, for Mac, for Linux, and Android. This latest version doesn't have too much new features, but one that is worth mentioning that is kind of nice is a tab sharing feature. You're on a page, you want to share it with somebody, you can right click, send to your devices. This will show up every computer you have that has Chrome browser on it that you can share a tab with. So this is kind of nice because you simply click, and once that is done, it means that the device that you're using is going to actually have that tab open, and this is going to be, of course, what you kind of like. And I think this is kind of cool, and it works really well. And I think it's one of the cool things. But you got to update your browser to the latest version. Just make sure that if you share with, for example, a Android device, that you are updating your browser, your Chrome browser, to the latest update also. You also have a few little features, including things about the omnibar or the address bar at the top, which won't show the company name if they are on the latest certificates for security, because it takes too much space in some cases, and they say that that removes a lot of space for the rest of the information in the bar. But the biggest reason why you should update is security. There are quite a lot of security updates in here, and one of them is actually the critical flaw. So that means that bad guys might already know about it. So that is one. There's also a few of the features of the security updates that are quite a few that are high priority. That also means you should upgrade, because that's the best thing you can do to stay safe. And so every version of Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and every device, Mac OS, Linux, make sure that you update to the latest version just to stay safe with the browser. How to do that? Simply go on the upper right corner in your, of course on Android, you go into the App Store and check out updates. In your browser, you go to the upper right corner and three dots, go into Help, About Google Chrome, and this is going to update it if you're not already at version 77. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.